nakapag-makeup na po tayo. Now, we will be dressing up for tonight's event! Magiging MC po tayo sa birthday ni Ma'am Kay, and I'm looking for an outfit. I still don't know if I will buy this, but this looks cute. I could still use it after ng party, right? And look at that. Ooh, bumabaklas tayo, mga bash. Yay! Thank you so much, Shini! Nakabili na kami! Got my, ano na tawag mo? Suman. Suman ibos. Ma-fasting kita tomorrow. Breakfast, lunch, and later dinner para magkasya tayo bukas. Bye! We will be finishing up our look with this cute bow. Alright, let's place it in here. Sana maging straight siya. Happy birthday, Ma'am Gay! And to Sir Lloyd, congratulations for doing a good job. Nakaabot po ng 50 years old si Ma'am Gay because of your love, and of course to Mikey for being a good girl. And I'll see you in a while. Alright! Yeah! Ay! Hindi siya mag-click. Ayun! See you later! Here at Hotel Veronica, and the party is on the 2nd floor. We are on our way to the hall. I'm so excited to see our birthday girl. Oh, look at that. I think we should take our photo while nobody's inside. Ooh. Celebrate some birthday ni Ma'am Gay. Ayos! Look at that! How wonderful our setup is here at Hotel Veronica. At ito yung manong sa likod, who will be assisting me for the tech. Hello! Yay! Ganda siya kay Tita Gay. Yung tayo. This is the day. Ilang obra? Beautiful, beautiful. No. Mag-retouch tayo. Currently, 3 tables, 4 tables kita dire, and we have 11 tables to fill this night with joy and of course love to Ma'am Gay. Hello mga Ma'am Gay. Si Manang Jingjing. If pinarata nga secret nga, ay, grabe secret kayo mo, tapos insugid mo. One of the most memorable event mo with Ma'am Gay.
Total man memorable sa akon. Kasi kita sa sadya, doon. Tapos, mas kidiin instant bala. Paras kagina instant, pero lang mag-invite instant. Maglagaw man kami kung sa diin. O instant, daw tanan surprise lang.
Ayun, and I believe almost everyone din na-surprise man. Ang hindi naman panago. Ayun, what's your name,
Archie.
Archie? Okay. Nakita mo na si Inday Gay in person?
Yes, ma'am.
Tungod bala ako ng picture pala.
Ano nakita ko sa open nila?
Nakita mo na siya kaginala. Sinunod sa likod. Ayun. So nakita mo si Ma'am Gay, ano mo first impressions nila?
Guwapa. Kaag mabuhat.
Guwapa kag mabuhat. Oy, may tips siya karon. Thank you so much, Archie. Ma'am Gay, kita mo ni, amo ni siyang table kagina nga pinakauna kung ngayon nga nakita. Ma'am Gay, amo ni yung mga tsura sa mga pinakauna yan nga nagkadto sa imo diri nga birthday party. Thank you so much. And also here we have the table, second table nga kagina first comers din nato ng mga punctual. Ato may baby girl kita dito. Nagkaya ko na yung mag-interview sa mga baby girl. Hello, what can you say about Tita?
Ninang is beautiful.
Wow! Anong message mo kay Ninang?
I wish her to give her good health.
Ayun, good health for Ninang. Thank you. What's your name? Thank you so much, Mana. Andrea, atong representative sa mga table. Sino? Sammy. Ninang Gay, Tita Gay. What do you call Ma'am Gay?
Tita Gay.
Ayun, message mo kay Tita Gay.
Nang I hope you have a good day.
Finally home. Grabe nga ako nga, ano. And I feel like I'm the birthday girl because I got a watch. I also got a eyeshadow palette. I'll let you see it. Ta-da! And lastly, I got a bangle! Ta-da! Thank you so much, Ma'am Gay, for having me. Of course, to Ma'am Yvonne, maraming salamat no, sa imo nga pag-recommend sa akon. And to Sir Lloyd for being game na game sa ating hosting partner ko tonight. Kag syempre kay Mikey, ngay upod ko yun siya pag-start ng ating nga program. So there you go. I hope you enjoy this short clip of my hosting stint this February. And I hope there's more to come this coming year. Now that I'm back, now na okay na yung ating tanga, I hope to see you around and I get to go back to Iloilo. Yeah, kasi we'll be having our photo exhibit na dira sa my Robinson's Harrow. So I hope to see you all around 2 p.m. on Sunday. That's February 26. See ya! Ayaw kayo nakahapit ka mo sa akong nga channel. Kung bago pa lang ka mo diri, pindot ang subscribe button, pati ka ang lingganay, kag hindi pagkalimtin. Ruby Inspired!